We all know there are many differences between humans and animals. The ability to use advanced or could count food is one thing that sets us apart. Many people feel that animals aren't capable of having the same emotions as humans. As a result, though people don't always feel the need to treat animals as well as they treat humans. Is this a correct way to think about things though, or is it just a misunderstanding of how animals think about things? For example, are animals capable of feeling grief when a loved one dies? The feeling of grief can be hard to stomach for a person who experiences tragedy. Everyone grieves in a different way too. Some people choose down and other people try to forget about the tragedy. New studies show that animals go through a similar process when a loved one dies. For example, when a herd of elephants comes across a dead member of the pack, it's hard to say they don't mourn the loss. Instead of just moving on, they will gather around the body, sometimes for hours. The immediate family will be the most affected, but the whole pack will be there to show their support. Chimpanzees go through a similar process. Already much like humans, chimpanzees had reactions like humans after the death of a loved one. After discovering the dead body of loved one, chimpanzees will rarely leave it unattended. Most of the time, the mother and father will sit and shock with the body for hours. Later, the mother will carry child's body away with her. This is not all that different. This is not all that different to the normal human process of grieving and burial. So, it's easy to see that loss affects the animals.